Alright, this is the mid-unit review. So a can of paint covers 120 square feet. If the wall you want to paint is 15 by 12 feet, how many cans of paint do you need? So first we need to find the area. So area, wall's a rectangle, so area is equal to length times width. So area is going to equal 15 times 12. So my area is going to equal, let's work out 15 times 12, and get an area of 180 feet squared. Now my can covers 120, so I'm going to divide 180 by 120. So we'll go in there one time, subtract, I get 60, add a decimal, and 120 will go into 160 5 times, which is exactly 600. So 1.5 cans is what I need, but I can't go to the store and buy 1.5 cans of paint. I have to buy whole cans. So I'm going to need to buy 2 cans of paint to cover that wall. Alright, so now we're given 2 rectangles. One of them is 5 by 12, the other is 4 by some unknown side. And that's what we're trying to find, is that unknown side. And the information I'm giving you is the area of the blue rectangle is twice the area of the yellow rectangle. So first let's find the area of the blue rectangle. So area equals length times width. So my area would equal 5 times 12. So my area would equal 60. So I know that's going to be twice the size of the yellow one. So if I find half of that, then I'll know the area of the yellow one. So half of 60, and just divide it by 2, and get 30. So the area of my yellow one is 30. So 30 equals 4 times something, which is our x, because our area equals length times width. So in order to solve this, I just divide by 4. I'll show it using algebra. It's okay if this doesn't make sense, you're just dividing. So 4 will go into 30 7 times, and there's a half left over. So it would go in there 7.5. So my missing side is 7.5. Alright, so let's review a composite figure. So if you look, I can break up this figure into the blue triangle and the yellow rectangle. You need to find the measurements of my triangle there. So the big side is 15, the smaller part is 8. So if I subtract those, I'll get the height of that blue triangle. So 15 minus 8 is 7. So to find the area of my triangle, area equals 1/2 base times height. So area equals 1/2 12 times 7. So it's easiest to find half of 12 first, which would be 6 times 7. So my area would equal 6 times 7 is 42. And then I look at my rectangle. My area of the rectangle equals length times width. So area equals 12 times 15. So I work out 12 times 15 and I get 180. So I need to take those two areas and add them together. So 180 plus 42 give me 222. Let's go ahead and give these units. So let's call them all centimeters. So 222 centimeters squared.